Hello, we are creating a series of beginners tutorial on how to use the Forex Simulator. So the first thing that you need is the package of the data. So you go to the tab on data and you click here, and here you will have the codes. So there are series of options that you can choose which type of codes you need or prefer. So I go for the Alpari Pro CCN, and then I click the download. Here you see all the currency pairs that are available on this package of data. So for instance, I deselect all the pairs and I go for instance for Aussie New Zealand and I choose it. And when you choose it, here on the bottom you can see the size of the package and also the folder in which the package of data will be stored. So I click on the download, and in the top right you can see the information about the download. You can see the speed and the progress of the data. You can also adjust the speed of download in order to get the download done faster. You can also if you do not want this package of data, you can also cancel it. For instance, I cancel here. Then after you have finished the download, you will see this package of data on your tickers. For instance, you go to the view tab and click the tickers, and you will see all the packages of data that you have downloaded previously. For instance, this is my list of currency pairs that I have downloaded previously, and here you can right click on any one of them and you will see here the new chart. You can click it and you will see the package of data on your main screen. For instance, I have loaded the USD JPY for practicing on, and next the next thing, you can adjust the speed of download. Here I have created my own setup speed download, and you can also click here on edit, and you will the options to add or delete your speed of simulation, but the preference and suggestion is that you will go somewhere between, because you can see the subtleties and nuances of the price action and price movement better here. So I go for the speed simulation of 30, and then you can begin the simulation. So you have two options to do this. You can click the start button here, and as you can see, the bars on the chart begins to develop, and then you can stop the sim, or you can press the space on your keyboard, and the simulation starts and stops by pressing the keyboard space on the keyboard. So if I want to stop the simulation, I just press this space. Now everything is ready for placing a trade. So I resume the simulation, and then I click here on the new order to place a trade. I click on it, and here you can adjust the position size and also the take profit or stop loss. So I go for a one lot, and I click, for instance, I want to go sell. I click the sell, and here as you can see, the order is placed on your chart, and you can also drag and determine your stop loss because it is a short, and also you can adjust your profit target, and then you can resume the simulation. As you can see, the stop loss is hit here, and you can resume your simulation and wait for the next trading opportunity.